Hello everybody, it's Mindy, and I have some paintings to show you. This is part one of a two-part series. This is from DiyChoose. Thank you DiyChoose for sending stuff, well, letting me pick out stuff that you then sent. I have these divided up into two different categories. I decided to open them up. I kind of like doing that. It saves time opening up those packages. You all know they come in those white bubble mailer things. This saves some time. Let me show you what we have here, all right? Let's start with the one you already saw on the top here. It is a quilling picture, right? Somebody said they didn't understand what we meant by the quilling pictures. So quilling, if you look up quilling, it is normally strips of paper and you fold and bend and curl them to make designs. So like this would be a strip of paper, they curled it up and it made the little circular. These would be pieces of paper, curled, all right? But these are not paper. They are printed, so it is a quilling picture that somebody may have done with paper, but they have printed this out, and now you just cover it with drills. Somebody said, aren't they just special drill paintings? Well, yes, they are, but they all have certain characteristics. The swirls, and the way they're laid out, and the way they pop off the canvas with the special drills is what makes them unique. And they are all beautiful. I hope that made sense. All right, so on this one, we have flowers in a bunch. There's a candle, bells, some presents, clearly Christmassy, right? 13 different colors and shapes. You can see it, right? You can see it? Yes? Okay, there we go. Let's see what those 13 colors and shapes are. Lots of reds and greens and golds. That's what we're gonna have. All right, let's see here. I have done 2 or 3 of these, and I have done post reviews on them. Check out my Smashing the Specials. I did a few for that, all right? So we have these clear rhinestones. Hello. Yep, clear. Gold, red, green. Oh, a purpley blue color. That's it for the rhinestones? Oh no, there's some more down here. Some red teardrops. Some green marquees, those are super pretty. There's like a champagne amber rhinestone, a pink rhinestone. My favorite little snowflakey, I love those. Those are so pretty. Blue faceted and a hot pink faceted. Love those. So that's what we get. Hopefully in December you'll see me work on a few more of these and you'll get another glimpse at what the quilling can look like. Like I said, you can check out that playlist if you want to see some of the quilling. I think I did 2 or 3. I can't remember. All right. I thought I had this all set to go, except there's a piece of tape on this. All right. Here we go. What do we have? What do we have? Come on. It's all nicely protected in this plastic box. There's our toolkit. Here's our drills. Look, they're pre-bagged. So we have one of these bags. This one is a little bit bigger than a wine bag, wider. It's not as tall as the like wine bottle storage bags, but it's bigger than the little treat sacks. You know what I'm saying? So this is just another version, a different size. I like this size. You can put a lot of goodies in there to give to your friends, right? And of course, it's just Santa. Saying Merry Christmas to everybody. Hoo, hoo, hoo. It's a nice soft burlap. I love it. They're nice. So a different size little goodie bag. That's what we have. Different size goodie bag. Can you tell the theme already of this unboxing? Ho, ho, ho. Right? All right. White ABs, clear rhinestones, green rhinestones, red, orange, gold. Oh, we have some marquees. There's our little snowflakes. Oh, those are tinier. Those are little. Ooh. And some red balls. All right? All right. I think the mailman's here. Yep, he's deciding I have a package, so he's going to come to the door. For a minute, I thought he was going to drive on by, and I'm like, hang on, I think I have a package. You probably need to come up to my porch. Yep. So, anyhow, there's that. Okay, we'll do that later. Go over there. I'm just putting stuff everywhere, aren't I? Okay, Here's the next one. Here's the next one. All right, this is a full crystal bubble, whatever you want to call this. It is completely covered with special drills, rhinestones, larger ones. These are probably all the same color. We got 1, 2, and 3, and they're probably the same color on the background. So pretty cool. He's Santa. He's holding a star. I don't know why, but he's got a star. But that's Santa. I want to show you. I want to show you what I mean about the drills. Well, look at, whoa, that's a big drill. That was a big drill. Let me show you what we got here, okay? There's probably multiple sizes of one color, okay? So, for example, that's not a good example. Let's start here. All right, this is probably the background. So we have 2 bags of regular black drills. Then we have a larger black drill and a larger black drill. All right, so we have multiple sizes. Got it? All right, cool. These are some of my favorites. These are not just the clear rhinestones. They are an iridescent, pearly looking rhinestone. I love these. These are beautiful. Now look at the reds. Small red, a medium red, and a large red. Look at the whites. A small white, a medium white, and a larger white. Love it. Okay? Very light, I don't know what to call that. Champagne color maybe? A pink and a gold. All right? So you see how we have the different sizes? So the whites are going to be his beard, clearly, right? We're going to have 3 different sizes. So that's why it's a bubble painting. It's a full coverage. How about those? What do you think about those? We only need 1 of those. That's going to go up there, but we have 2, just in case. All right. Then we have, well, look at, this is kind of the same. Oh, these are, no, wow. Okay, we have a smaller, well, that's not small, it's a medium and a large. Then we have these beautiful coppery gold crystals on the bottom, and the gold is on the top. Those are gorgeous. Some more of the snowflakes and some more marquees. So this one will be super fun. I've been able to get a couple like this, and I'm excited about those. I love those. All right, let's look at something different. Let's look at something small. Here's a toolkit. Here's our drills. And what do we have in here? This just came in this little bag, just like this. How's the bag open? Right here. Okay. What do we have? What do we have? Let's see. Okay, I'm gonna be careful because there's lots of little pieces here. Okay, I'm gonna leave these right here. We have red beads right there. Okay. We have twine. Twine. Each one of these gets a piece of twine, is my guess. Oh, these are thin. They're plastic, but they're thin, like they're flexible. Okay, so we have a gnome, and he's going to get a string, and he's going to get a bead. And so he's going to be able to hang. He's going to hang. He's like a little ornament. Cool, right? He's double-sided. Love it. They're thin. I didn't realize they were going to be so thin, but they're not paper, so that's cool. All right, so we have the gnome. We have a penguin and his gift. Nice, I like him. Okay. We have a reindeer. Little reindeer, all double-sided. We have 2 stuck together. We have a Santa. He's cute. And we have a snowman. Now they had different sets of these, and you could get different, characters, but they're all cute. I like these. They're just thin. They're just gonna be, you can make them like a tag, put them on a present. They could be an ornament, hang them on your tree. I like the gift tag idea. I like that. I think people could get a little tag on their present and be diamond painted. They wouldn't be surprised coming from me, would they? I think we're just gonna have basic colors here. Let's see what we have. Yeah, just some basic colors. We have gold, clear, peachy orange. What do you call that? My mind is topaz. Black resin drills, red, green, and it might have a hue of yellow to it, maybe. So there's our drills. Those are cute. Like I said, there were multiple sets of these, and they each had like different, characters. Okay, just got a couple things left. This one, I'm not certain what's happening with the packaging. The packaging is all weird. Let's see, let's just get it out of here. How do we get it out? I don't know. I don't know. Down here? Yep, down here. I might just get this out and leave it out because I don't know what's going on with this bag. Will it even come out? Well, one will. That one will come out. It's this one that's got an issue. I think the plastic on the Santa is, yeah, the plastic on the Santa is all messed up. Just gonna, and it's dusty, dirty. It's kind of gross. He got mangled up. That's what happened. He is a mess. Okay, I don't know if he's even gonna, work. So here's his plastic covering, and it's just, look, it's icky. And look, what happened up here? Is this even, yeah, it's dusty, dirty. Since it was uncovered, that one's got grody. Yeah, he got grody. Okay, I will let them know that he had an issue. But this was supposed to be up here, and it didn't happen, and now it's just, I'm not even going to put it on there, okay? We're just not going to do that. Not that, I don't know if it's going to matter. This is all dirt and dust on this, so he's not going to work no matter what. That's unfortunate. And this is dirty, dusty. That's a miss, right? That was a miss. Okay, well, this one's cute. I like this one. This one turned out nice. It's a big poinsettia arrangement and like some city street behind it. That one's pretty. You can smell the dust on that. It's just gross. Okay. I will let them know that didn't turn out well. I mean, it happens. You know, it happens. So these would be the drills for both. That's your base of rhinestones. Multiple colors, right? And then I have some stars, some red balls, marquee, gold balls. All right, that's that. That's the end of that one. We're just gonna leave that as it is. I can do that one, but that other one's not gonna work out so well. All right, last painting it. I was surprised this was this big. So I didn't check out the size, but I got another one like this that was really large as well. So there are these round paintings. Now, it's not round really because you're supposed to drill here on the corners and that would be like white. But I'm thinking cutting these out, it would be super easy to cut them out and then mount it on something else, like something red or green or whatever, instead of just drilling white background here, right? I think they'd be cool if you just cut them out, mounted them on something. But of course, it's a red truck with the Christmas tree. They're getting ready to take their tree into their house and decorate, and the snowman's gonna help. I love this plaid around the outside. I love that. That's fun. It has 24 colors, legend on both sides, DMC codes are there. It's a 40 by 40. I measured the last one, so it's like 35 by 35. I think I got a fall one like this. So love it, love it, love it, love it. And our drills, well, let's see. Do you want to see all of them? Let's not see all of them. I mean, a greenish color, grays, purple, taupe, green, red, burgundy, white. I mean, it is the colors you see there. Grays, dark, red. No surprises. No surprises here, right? No surprises. Okay, so that's what I got, you guys, for the Christmas edition from DiyChoose. Thank you, DiyChoose. Unfortunate about Mr. Santa over there. Now I feel the need to go wash my hands, which I will do. And I'll probably just throw this one away because you can't do anything with that. Unless I could clean it. I could try cleaning it like with a baby wipe. I might do that. I'll let you know if it works. Okay, thanks for watching, everybody. Fun stuff for Christmas. I love Christmas. It's my favorite time of the year, and I'm ready to go. After November, then we're gonna just Christmas it up. Okay, thanks for watching. Hit the like button, subscribe. If you're new here, think about subscribing. We would love to have you hang around. We do fun stuff around here. All right, I'll talk to everybody soon. See you guys.